Hello, everybody, and welcome to my section of this assembly on the power of reading. It's lovely to see you all. I want to start off my section of the assembly by telling you this. Books are dangerous. What do I mean by books are dangerous? Okay, let's start off. What might be the connection between these four books? Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, Uncle Tom's Cabin, Oliver Twist, The Da Vinci Code. Does anything link these four books? Any ideas? What if I told you that at some point in some countries, all four of these books have been banned? The governments of various countries at various points in time have decided that these four books need to be banned. No one in their country should be allowed to read them. Let's have a little look at why. So, in Hunan province, China, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland is banned because animals should not use human language. Back during World War II in Nazi Germany, the book Oliver Twist was banned because it has Jewish characters in it. The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown is banned in the Lebanon because they believe that it's offensive to Christianity. And during the American Civil War, the Confederate States banned this book called Uncle Tom's Cabin because the book was against slavery. The book believed slavery was wrong and told a story trying to show how slavery was wrong. And that's the reason it was banned. So all of these books have been banned because they maybe present a slightly different view of the world. They tell stories from different perspectives, from different religions, from different races. And whilst I know it's very, very easy to stay in this section here, in the comfort zone, and to listen to the stories that are being told to us, and to maybe stay within our view of what the world is, if we step outside that comfort zone and we start seeking out stories from those different perspectives, we might start realizing that things are different to how we originally imagined them to be. So have a little think. Who is it in day-to-day life that controls the stories that we hear? How do you know what's going on in the world right now? Do you know because of what you're being told on the news? Do you know because of what the films coming out of Hollywood, because of the movies and the TV shows that you watch? Do you know because of what you see on your social media? Is that where your stories are coming from? If so, all fine and good. Don't stop watching the news. Don't stop watching films or being on social media. Of course not. But just take a minute and just have a think. What other stories are there that people might want to tell you? And now I have a challenge for you. Rather than just kind of sitting back and letting the information come to you, letting it come to you as you scroll through your feed, letting it come to you as you watch a movie or you see something on the news, I want you to go out and find stories, find books that are written by people from different cultures than you, people from different races than you, people with different sexualities to you, people with different backgrounds to you, people with different genders to you. The world is full of so many complicated things and different kinds of people. And if we go and look for their stories, if we go and find things that are different to our perspective and our view of the world, then it might just be the most mind-blowing, incredible thing that we ever do. Don't let yourself be limited by the stories people want to show you. Go looking. There are so many different examples of books that you can find. I am always available. Just drop me an email if you want any recommendations. Send me your recommendations as well. Some of these you might recognise. Some are in the school library. I've put up stuff there that's fiction, that's non-fiction. I think there were a couple of comic books. We had some quite adult stuff, some younger stuff. Go for it, guys. Find those stories. Don't just let people tell you what to think. Go looking for the stories yourselves. And remember, be careful, because books are dangerous. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.